Hey guys, good morning. Today's date is July 4th, and so let's see how the Nifty looks. Next, Nifty is in negative 12, so negative 0.12, so it's between the positive and negative. So let's see the money control for now. Okay, so Nifty graph looks flat for now. Stocks in radar: Lupin, Dr. Reddy, Sun Pharma, Intelco, Vedanta. These are going flat. These are going 90-degree up. Looks like Pharma's in the top. Let's go to Indian indexes and see which is the highest in Indian indexes. So, if you see Pharma, it's in the green and it's currently going up. Okay, Lupin, Dr. Reddy, and Sun Pharma. So let's add all these here. LUPN, Lupin, Dr. Reddy, and Sun Pharma. Okay, looking at the chart. Looking at the chart, this is here. Looking at the chart. Again, looking at the chart. So look at the chart. So 328. So let's keep the capital ready into 20 divided by whatever value which we are going to take now. Not this sun. This is a bit coming down for now. So tomorrow is my birthday, guys. July 5th is my birthday, so it's the same day as birthday. I'm sharing the same day with Rakesh Junjunwala. So, but we have a 42 years difference between us, between Sir and us. So mostly July 5th and 6th, I may be very busy because it's my birthday. I may not trade. Depends on the situations, depends where I am. So just telling you guys in advance. So 5th and 6th, that is Thursday and Friday. So tomorrow is my birthday, so maybe the hangover on Friday. Depends. Looks like Sun Pharma is coming up. Five 86,700 stocks. So if I buy around 1,700 stocks in terms of cover order, and it's a 5 rupee stock, so 580. If I put 580 and confirm here, so 1,700 stocks at the price of 585.51. Highest is 585.75 for now. So let's see how much this stock can move. If you see, Lupin also didn't move much from there, and go to the 1 minute chart. If you see a bit down, I know it may recover in some time. Same here. This is also taking some time for now. Let's wait and watch for some time, and I will be re-recording the video as the prices close. If you see, the stock price has gone up, so almost 2 rupees would be 0.3%. I mean less than that also. So we are close to that. So I'm just seeing if I am order here. Okay, it is present in Nifty is 0.10. Pharma had dipped a bit down and then finally going up now. It will keep dipping and going up. So you need to wait. So 587.75 was the highest. Three minutes candle. Finally 1 minute candle. Oh yeah. Okay. So 585.50, right? $585.50 into 0.3 divided by 100, almost 1 rupee 75 paisa. So plus 1 rupee 75 paisa will be 587.25 will be the exact target at which we need to sell it. So Nifty is dancing in the same area for now still. A little bit more in Pharma, and anyways I'll wait for some more time, and I'm exiting. I'll just record the video. So stock price has gone up, so we are selling this right now. So profit of 3267. So the highest was around 588. So anyways 587.25 was the target, and it has gone up to 587.43 for now. Anyways I waited for some time. If you see, Nifty has finally come up and it gave a support, and the Pharma had come a bit down. That's the reason the stock was dancing a bit, and finally now if you see, Pharma came down and now it's finally recovering up. That is when our stock went up. And tomorrow is my birthday, guys, and tomorrow and day after I may be busy. That is Thursday and Friday, and as you know, Saturday, Sunday is holiday. I'll try to make videos, but if possible I'll try to trade tomorrow, but it's my birthday, so not sure where I'll be and when I'll be back. So take care till then. Please like this video, please subscribe to this channel and share these videos. If you like these videos more and more, then I'll do more and more of such videos for you guys. See you soon in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.